In this video, I'm going to show you how you can estimate shipping on CNFans. So you want to open up the website here, CNFans. I've just go search for it. And once you have the website open, it is going to look a little something like this. You will have estimation as an option. So you just want to click on estimation, and it's going to ask for the destination. So where are we shipping to? For example, let's do Germany here, and after we have typed Germany, the item category, we will choose your appropriate, the item that you have purchased. So let's do classes, and we're gonna do luxury brands. Okay, so we've chosen the item category. Next, it is going to ask us for the weight. The weight of the glasses will be 300 grams. The length will be so this is in centimeters, so it's going to be 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10. This is just an example here. So after you fill out all this information, if you click on calculate, it's going to show you the calculation. I'm not signed into my account here, but it's going to show you how much it is going to cost roughly. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.